Empower your sterilization process with precision and instant access to the manufacturer's IFU. Our application leverages AI-driven technology to deliver data directly from the manufacturer, ensuring meticulous tracking, seamless access, and the utmost safety in processing and handling of trays, instruments, supplies, and equipment. In this demo, I'm using your abdominal hysterectomy tray, which has 9 manufacturers with 36 instruments, and where several of these instruments allow for multiple manufacturers to be used. You'll experience the future of instant, real-time access to the manufacturer's IFU with unmatched accuracy and, yes, in less than 3 seconds. IFUVitals is not just a tool, it's your digital assistant designed to save valuable time and direct you to the information you need without delay. Watch closely in this live demonstration as I select the catalog number from your worksheet and witness how our system intelligently delivers the manufacturer's current IFU in less than 3 seconds, and requested information such as sterilization temperature, cleaning, and other information requested in an astonishing 17 seconds or less.